One of the greatest things that I've learned about India is how soft and gentle the people are.
I was dealt with an explosion of colors, of sounds, of energy that I've actually never experienced anywhere in the world.
And what I really wasn't expecting was the closeness that we all shared, and how everyone just opened their hearts.
And the transformation was magical. It was more than I ever even thought it could be. It was maybe more than I thought I could handle, and I'm going back a different person, an absolute new person.
Given me hope and created such a beauty inside of my heart that I cannot wait to share with the world again, and my family.
I'm able to cope with what life might throw at me and just feel easier to talk about things. So yeah, I'm really happy. Thank you.
Thank you very much.